Hello, welcome to Toy Fair 2026 here at the Javits Center in New York City. We're here to welcome you to our Plus Plus booth. So if you weren't able to come to the show this year, don't worry, we're gonna give you the full run through right now. So let's get started up here in the front. We have our scoops and our ice cream collection here. So all week long, we have been scooping up 4 new flavors and fun new products for Plus Plus. 4 different flavors: birthday cake, rainbow sherbet, triple berry swirl, and superhero. And it's a really fun experience where the kids get to peel to open, and then you have a reclosable container that you can use for travel, for restaurants. 100 pieces and a guide inside to build different fun treats. So you can build more simple 2D cones, you can build super tall cones. Also in our ice cream story, we have our Learn to Build ice cream shop. So this is brand new for this year, and you get to build this fun little ice cream scooper and a rack for the cones and a fun ice cream cart. And like all the Learn to Build sets, you get a guide that tells you how to get started, but then you can use your own ideas and your own creativity. And the last item in our ice cream collection is our ice cream cone puzzle by number. So you get to build not 1, but 2 ice cream cones in fun colors like jade and mint. So we have 3 new colors this year: lavender, papaya, and sky. And those are in all of these, or several of these new ice cream items as well. Then we'll come on over here to our packets. So we launched our plant packets last spring. We have 6 different plant packets, and then each of the instructions have a mat you can cut out to display your plants after you've built it. So following up the success of the plant packets, we've just launched pet packets. This is the first time we've ever had sticker eyes to use on our creations. So we have 6 different animals. We have adoring axolotl, tired turtle, curious cat, artsy axolotl, bashful bunny, and playful puppy. So each of these have a collectible sticker that you can put on a water bottle or a notebook, and also the sticker eyes to build your creations. And again, these have mats that you can cut out and display your creations once you've built them. So next we're gonna come to a brand new collection of a new size of tube. So these are 2 of our best-selling tubes are unicorns and dragons. So we've taken those 2 bestsellers and blown up the color spectrum and done 3 dragons and 3 unicorns. So we have our fire dragons, earth dragons, and glow dragons, and then glitter unicorn, pearl unicorns, and rainbow unicorns. So each one of these builds 2 unicorns or 2 dragons with these 6 fun colorways. And they include metallics and glow and pearl and jade, and all kinds of fun new colors. While we're right here, we'll just walk through our Learn to Build collection really quickly, which is one of our best-selling collections. We have our ice cream shop, which we just looked at. We have pets, we have robots and creatures, and unicorns. We also have our Learn to Build Colorverse, which came out last year, which has the most colors of any set we've ever done, over 1,000 pieces and all kinds of fun creations. We joke this is our ring of power with all the colors in our Colorverse set. And then coming later in the year, in June, we'll have a Learn to Build space set where you can build rockets and astronauts and aliens and alien planets and all kinds of things there. One of the best-selling products globally for years has been this metal suitcase. And we brought that into the US. It's wonderful, reclosable, travel-friendly, fun silicone handle. And inside you have 600 pieces and 2 base plates and a great idea guide to get you started. And then our flower shop also came out last year. Great fun item where you get to build plants and a flower wagon and a flower shop. And then also we have our dinosaurs, one of our best sellers there as well. So this has been a great collection for us for years. So it uses public domain works of art that we then distill down into Plus Plus color palettes. And you can either create the work of art by scanning our app and following along with the instructions, create like a 3D version of it, or you can just use your own imagination. So we've had the sunflowers and Klimt and Hokusai and Frida Kahlo for a while now. We're adding on 2 other best-selling artworks, the Starry Night and Almond Blossom from Van Gogh. Really beautiful colors here. Starry Night has glow-in-the-dark and pearl, really fun. And Vincent Van Gogh's Almond Blossom with dusty rose and turquoise and sky blue. Wonderful, fun new colors in there. And then we've taken our bestseller Hexels, and which we won Toy of the Year for last year, and we brought them into the inspired world. So these are really beautiful. Again, same colors. You get pearl, you get avocado, beautiful colors. And on this display stand that comes in the box, you learn about the artist and when they lived. It tells you more about their artwork. So we have our sunflowers, we have our Mondrian, and we have Starry Night. So again, rounding this out, we have our Hokusai's The Wave, Monet's the Japanese Footbridge, Edvard Munch's The Scream, and our Mondrian as well. And then of course, Isoscapes, great kidult item. We have 4 different items: the sailboat, Faroe Islands, Metropolis, and cabin. Really great mindful building exercise. You use the swipe to build experience in our app and build your Isoscape to display on your desk or at home. You can just feel the hygge, the Danish hygge. 2 brand new items from last year are big activity food and farm sets. Did really well, so we've added a flowers to that as well with fun new colors. We have coral and violet and lavender. You get a base plate, you can build little flowers or a little planter. A Learn to Build Basic, big, continues to be a great seller. You get a base plate and 60 basic pieces, really simple builds for young kids. And then all of our 15-piece tubes continue to sell very well. Fun tropical colors, glitter colors, bloom and breeze. So all kinds of great colors in that collection. And again, these are just simple builds. Like our food, it's 6 pieces. You can make an adorable little French fry container. So it's just that real simple builds for young kids. Or like our little cow, which is one of our easiest and most satisfying builds, 4 pieces. You may have seen us racing to see how many of these we can build on past videos. So adorable little cow there. So we also have a big metal suitcase that's the brother of the other metal suitcase we showed you a minute ago that has 70 pieces inside. And of course our big travel case continues to do really well. Just 15 pieces and a case. You can add more pieces to that, of course. And then our Learn to Build Big Colorverse was brand new last year. You get these copper colors and coral and all kinds of bright colors. And then we're bringing back picture puzzles. These were a bestseller for many years. We've redesigned it, made the puzzles simpler. So you get 16 different puzzles on 8 different cards and 60 big pieces. Again, these are safe for all ages, but we recommend this for 2 years and up. That's available in June. Our activity pads were a huge hit last year. We were really proud to win our Astra Star Award for these products last year in the puzzle category. So we had 4 titles last year: the Ocean, Fairy Tale, Space, and Transportation. This has 125 pieces inside and 6 different models that you can build in 2 ways. So 12 total activities that you can build and take with you. Great for kids that we're trying to keep off screen. So if a child at a sporting event for their big brother, big sister, they want something to keep them busy. Great for restaurants, great for travel. Then 2 brand new themes in our activity pad for this year are the Enchanted Forest, which has glitter and pearl and gold, and then dinosaurs. So 2 awesome new additions to that collection. So here you can see a 2D Triceratops and 3D Triceratops. So it's a great grow with you toy. Young kids can do 2D, older kids can do 3D. So the rest of our Puzzle by Number collection, of course, we have our puppy and kitten. We have our 250-piece size, unicorn, adventure, T-Rex, jack-o'-lantern, and I love you. Map of the USA, 1,400 pieces, and a huge poster that you use to build the USA. And then on the back has over 700 state facts about all kinds of things, capitals and birds and state mottos, all kinds of fun educational facts there. Well, thanks for coming along our booth tour here at New York Toy Fair 2026. We've been so excited to be here this week. We're right in the middle of the show, 2 more days to go. So if you weren't able to make it, we're sorry we missed you, but I hope this booth tour will help show you all of what's new with Plus Plus. Follow us on the socials. You know, we go live every week. We're always sharing new content, new ideas. So thanks for following along and hope you have a great year with Plus Plus.